Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn the relationship among total revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue. This relationship among these three aspects can be studied in two situations. First situation is when prices remains constant, which is known as perfect competition market. In perfect competition market, the firms are price taker rather than price maker. The firms can sell any quantity of output at the prices fixed by the industry. So, let's start discussing the relationship between total revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue in first situation when prices remains constant. This relationship can be studied tabularly as well as graphically. Let's see first the table which explains the relationship between these three concepts of revenues. This is the table. Here the units of, or you can say the quantities of outputs have been shown from 1 to 6. This is the price, and we know that price is also called average revenue. So price is constant for each and every units of the output. With the help of price and quantity, we can calculate total revenue. Total revenue can be calculated by P into Q, and this is like that 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. And again with the help of this total revenue, we can calculate the marginal revenue. With the help of this table, we can see that when the prices of commodities, when the prices of different units of a commodity are constant, there is a constant increase in the total revenue, and marginal revenue is just equal to the prices. It is because marginal revenue is nothing but the increase in total revenue due to 1 unit increase in the sale. Since the price is constant, every additional revenue from sale of a additional unit will be the same for each units. That's why MR is also just equal to the price of the commodity. If we plot this table, if we plot this table to a graph, we can get the shape of total revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue. Now we can explain the relationship between total revenue and marginal revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue one by one. Let's take first what is the relationship between total revenue and marginal revenue. Looking at the graph, we can see that since price is constant, the first relationship is that since price is constant, marginal revenue will be constant. You can see here. Since price is constant, marginal revenue will also be constant, and total revenue, this total revenue increases at a constant rate. You can see this relationship in the diagram. And second relationship is total revenue is positively sloped straight line forming an angle of 45 degree, and total revenue pass through the origin, implying that when the quantity sold is 0, total revenue will be 0. So three relation we find from this diagram. First, since price is constant, marginal revenue will be equal to average revenue, or you can say marginal revenue will be equal to the price, and the marginal revenue will also be constant. That's why total revenue, the total revenue increases at a constant rate. Accordingly, the total revenue curve will be a straight line whose slope will be constant. It means it will increase at a constant rate. Second, total revenue curve has positive slope forming an angle of 45 degree. And third, total revenue curve will originate from here. Origin, it implies that if the quantity sold is 0, total revenue will be 0. Now, let's explain the relationship between average revenue and marginal revenue. And this relationship is explained in case when prices are constant. It is the situation of perfect competition market. The first relation between AR and MR is when price is constant, average revenue will be equal to marginal revenue. You can see it from this table also. When price is constant, average revenue will be equal to marginal revenue. And second, average revenue and marginal revenue both curve coincide in a horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis. Here, these two curves are coinciding each other and they are parallel to the x-axis. And third relation is that AR, which is also called demand curve, AR, which is known as demand curve, will be perfectly elastic. It means the firms can sell any quantity at the price determined by the industry. So these were the relationship between total revenue and marginal revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue. And in the next video, we will learn what is the relationship among total revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue when prices are not constant. That means prices falls with increase in the unit sold. Thank you.